Just put alcohol in the orange peel, and you will never have this problem again. To start our tip, I will start removing the peels of an orange. This tip has an incredible result. It will surprise you. Once that's done, I'm gonna add 150 milliliters of alcohol to a container. After I learned to do, I never again had problems with insects or bad odors in my house. Then I will add 50 milliliters of vinegar. It is crucial to ward off insects. Its strong smell works as a great repellent. Now I will put 100 milliliters of detergent. Do it in your home, and then come back here to tell me if you had the expected result. Is a simple tip that has more than one utility. I doubt you've ever made a more efficient product than this before. Finally, I will stir everything very well with a spoon so that all the ingredients are mixed. Once this is done, I will transfer this mixture to a container with lid. Now I will put the orange peels that I removed previously inside the container with the mixture. Its citrus acidity is very effective in removing odors. You can also put on the entrance mat so that everyone feels the good aroma of your home. Finally, just fill the rest with a little water and stir. Even I was surprised at the effectiveness of the product when I first made it. After mixing everything, I will cover and let our mixture rest for 3 hours. After time, I will transfer our mixture to a spray bottle to facilitate application and avoid waste. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sunita Debbie from New Zealand. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Maida can already use our mixture to perform home hygiene. Is an extremely versatile product, repels insects, serves to clean any type of surface, and also ends the bad smell. And all this using only a few everyday ingredients. I never again had to spend money on those expensive cleaning products sold in the markets. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for having taught you. Even I was surprised at the effectiveness of the product when I first made it. I'm sure your friends will start to ask you, what is the secret to keeping the house so clean and fragrant? The result is almost immediate. Just give a few sprays to end any bad smell in any environment. I hope you enjoyed this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.